previous class you should have learned something, a thing or two about Facebook ads and sales funnel. So if you really want to make a lot of sales, you need to run ads. Even when I drop client jobs on the chat room, it's not every time, and it's a little difficult to run ads for a particular person, except when I can already see the review that the person the portfolio the person has, and I know that referring clients, running ads for that person is not going to be a waste of budget. So what I'm basically saying is, for you to actually get a lot of clients, you also need to run ads by yourself. You also need to run ads by yourself. So the first thing is, after learning all those things about Facebook ads, you need to actually get a Facebook page. If you don't know how to create a Facebook page, I've already taught it in the course. Just go and watch it. Watch how to create a Facebook page. I've taught it in the membership training. So once you created your Facebook page, now I'm just going to show you a strategy I actually use to get clients. So this is my own Facebook page. So what I do is I run an ad, a lead ad. So you might not have a website like me. So you might not even have a website. You don't even need to have a website. What you can do is just to run an ad that takes them to WhatsApp. Let me show you an example of one of my ads. I don't know if I can still see it. Okay, let me just see if I can find something similar. Apologies for the network speed. So most of these things that I've been teaching, they are really working. For instance, LinkedIn marketing. What I simply do is I create content on LinkedIn and I get a lot of engagement on LinkedIn. I duplicate that same content on Instagram, on Facebook, the same content, so I don't have to stress myself because I'm always very busy. And the funniest thing is, I'm so busy I don't even create content all the time, but when I create content, it even gives me clients. Can you imagine? So these things, if you are not doing them, I don't know what to say. So you need to really do these things. It's just going to be laziness when you actually get all this. And some of you are actually here, you didn't really pay a lot of money for any training or anything, and I know that's one of the reasons why you are not really motivated to do a lot of things actually. But then just take it this way: if you are somewhere where you know there's somebody there that is really trying with good conscience to ensure that you get best results, maximize it instead of just joking around and just letting it go to waste. Okay, so this is an example. I ran an ad on this on the particular point and I got a lot of leads. Now if you don't have a website, what you can do, let me teach you two things you can do. Number one thing you can do is, now before I go there, let me just show you this. What you need to do is to have a very good Facebook ad copy. So you write a copy that takes them to that really attracts them. So let's say for instance you don't know copywriting. What you just know is content writing. So you want to write content for blog, for website owners. So what you can do is to write a very strong headline: how I achieved dash 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 with content writing. Let me write the same content on your website and help you achieve dash 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 result. Do you understand? Or how content writing can help your websites to achieve dash dash dash. Just look for a very strong headline that allows them to see a very huge benefit that they get when they patronize you. Then write your copy, then design a good flyer. If you have this mentality of you want to make money without making money, sorry, you just be doing some things that will be making people run away from you. If you don't know graphic design, get somebody who knows graphic design. Let them design something that is okay. Don't design a very rubbish flyer and run ads on it, it's going to make you look desperate and look like somebody that is unprofessional. So if you don't know graphic design, get a graphic designer. Okay, so once you write a good copy, get a good design, then run your ad. Now you might not have a landing page, so what you can do is this: go to wa.link. So once you are in wa.link, my phone number is 3888-5471. so you can have something like, hi Jadel, stop, my name is dash, I saw your Facebook ad, please tell me more about your services. You can even say, how do I know you are a good content writer? That's imagining that the service you are selling is even content writing, not copywriting, not Facebook ads copyright, not a real high income skill like that. So when you do this, what you are trying to do is you are trying to get them to send you a message. That's what's more important. You are trying to get them to contact you, so that it's not like they click the link and they bounce off. Why am I saying this? When you ask a question like this, it makes them feel like, okay, let me even hear what this guy has to say. Let this guy prove to me if he's really good. Do you understand? So that way you can now prove to them by showing them your portfolio and talking about your services. Do you get? So that's how it is. The goal is to run an ad to get them to contact you. So you generate the link, then you now have a link. So without a landing page, you can get people to contact you. So you copy this link, then when you create your ad, you use the link as your website. So this contact us button will now be for that link. Do you get? That's how it is. So when people click the ad, they are coming to you on WhatsApp. Now you might feel like, I'm not getting a good result, because most people are just clicking and they are not entering my DM, because they feel that if I am really a professional person, I should have a website. There are many free landing pages you can create. Number one is card.co. This is card.co. Just go here, create a free account, and you can create a landing page. Let me even show you. Can I find the link? I don't know if I can find the link. Let me see if Google will bring the link for me. So you can just Google didn't bring it out. I used to have this link somewhere. Okay, so I can't find my card.co landing page. I will send it to you on WhatsApp. Just ask me for it. If you are done watching this video, I will send it to you on WhatsApp. But I think I should be able to find my main stack. So this is another landing page builder, main stack. There's another one people use called Linktree. So these things are free. You don't need to pay anything. The landing page builder is free. Look at this stuff I designed, so nice. Create a link, can create links. There's even a place to even have people to join your newsletter. Can you see this? And I didn't pay any money for this. People can even give you money safe. So it's nice. The only problem I have with this particular landing page is their load speed is very bad. You can use something else called sure.b. I like using this too. So that's to even show you that I've used a lot of landing page builder, depending on the one I now saw that works a lot for me. So, and all these things are free. Do you understand? So you can, instead of running ads straight to WhatsApp, you can run ads straight to something like this, then add the link. If this looks too simple, you can use main stack. If main stack looks too complex, you can also use link.tree. There are many landing page builders. In fact, Google it. You will find if you are really serious about this, Google it, you find lots of things that you can do. So I'm just trying to show you I'm just trying to help you get the same result I'm getting, and even more than the same result I'm getting, so you don't just stay here and you're dormant. So this series of videos, they are the fast growth Cravinkminds member series, so that you grow fast and you start getting results fast. Okay, so once you've created your ad, you can use that as your link. So now let's imagine that this is something. Okay, let me click this ad. So let me imagine that I ended up creating a landing page that looks something like what I'm going to show you now, depending on the landing page builder that I use. There are many free landing page builders, I've said that. Even WordPress, there's a free version of WordPress, so you can basically use WordPress. It's just that the link you get will not be very unique. So now let's say I run an ad to this and then I get clicks. This copy I wrote actually converts a lot, but then I get clicks. So when people click this, they now come into that my WhatsApp. That's the way it is. So from the WhatsApp, I engage them. Then when I engage them, what happens? They now decide to buy. So from there, I now send them the link to the service I am selling on Cravinkminds, and they actually pay. So that's how it is. So let me show you. So you just go on Cravinkminds and type your username. This is my own username. Then once they are there, then I just take them to the particular service. Then I just send them the link. So once they have engaged with me and we've discussed, and they're like, okay, okay, they've said they are ready to buy the stuff and everything, I just give them the link and they pay. Do you understand? So what matters is you just follow this process. Don't just sit down and expect that money will just fall from heaven, or you just make money from writing like that. No, you have to do something. Okay, you have to do something. So now this is going to be the end of this whole series. So we started this series from helping you to understand that you need to have a portfolio to build credibility. And then we went further to explaining how you can build portfolio with Google Drive, how you can build portfolio with PDF file, which I taught you as a video. I also taught you how you can build a website portfolio using our platform. Then I've gone further to teach you how you can run Facebook ads, then how to create a sales funnel that works. Now I'm not teaching you the exact same strategy I'm using to get clients. So you should not be here and have excuses that you're not making money, or except maybe you are not interested in making money from writing. And if that's not your interest, I believe that means you are just here to improve your writing skills. Then simply write. Do you understand? These are the ways you improve and grow. So it's either you are improving as a writer or you are making money from writing, but not doing anything at all. That's when it's not good. Okay, so try to maximize everything to your advantage. That's what I want to see you doing. So that's going to be all. Thanks for taking your time to watch everything. I believe you are going to implement. So have a great day. Success.